So I have all my materials to make my little grass buddy, grass pet character. I've got a little yogurt container or applesauce container here. And I've got my roll of sticker eyes. Got some little mini pom-poms for a nose that I can glue on with my hot glue gun. And of course, I've got my soil and my grass seed that's going to need to go in, and a marker that I can draw some other things on, like a mouth or something. So let's get all this cleared up and then let's get started. So I'm going to put one of the eyes right there. Get the other eye glued on there. I've got the little mouth drawn on. Now I just have to glue my little pom-pom nose on as well, once the hot glue gun's all warmed up. There we go, so I'm going to add a little dab of glue and stick my pom-pom on for the nose. There we go, I've got my little face now. I just need to add some soil inside the container. There we go, got a little bit of potting soil in there. I'll add some grass seed in here. And another little scoop of soil on top. All I have to do is just add some water to my little grass buddy and put him in the window for the grass to grow. Yeah, and once all the grass is grown, there you go. Then you've got a little grass buddy or a grass troll.